Natatakot ka rin bang madulas ang baby mo? I feel that. Natatakot ka na baka madulas si baby magkapasa at hindi isuot ang sapatos. Pero nandyan ka pa rin, bumibili ng cute shoes na mabilis masira at hindi kasya kay baby. Minsan nakala mo okay na, ang ganda sa picture, ang cute suotin, pero pag actual na, masikip, mainit, ayaw suotin ni baby. Worse, nadudulas pa siya habang naglalaro sa ulan. Nakakatakot, nakakapagod, nakaka-frustrate. You just want a peace of mind, yung alam mong safe at happy si baby kahit buong maghapon niyang suot. Kaya nung na-try ko to, parang nawala ang tinik sa dibdib ko. Meet Hono Comfort, the only clogs I trust for my baby. Super comfy, no more iyak or sapiltang suot. True to size and slip on, walang hassle tuwing aalis. Butterproof and breathable. Presko sa paa kahit ulan o beach. Durable and adorable, toddler-proof and twinning-approved. Starting at 115, you get the mall-quality shoes that protect your baby and give you peace of mind. Stocks are selling fast. Don't wait until another shoe disappoints you. Click the yellow basket down below and experience the comfort that your baby truly deserves.